Blessings, brethren and sisters. It is I, Mr. Williams, King of Dalby and Royal Prince of St. Thomas. Today, I'll be teaching you some Jamaican phrases and their meanings. We are looking. Meaning, what are you looking at? We are looking. Medea. Medea. Meaning, I'm here. Medea. I'm here. Medea. I'm here. Cool your flat. Meaning, it's cold. Or as they would say in New York, it's mad brick. You're way upon. Meaning, how are you doing? As a Jamaican, your reply would be, me depon the earth. That's how me depon. Me depon the earth. Please make sure to comment down below if you've heard any of these phrases before. And join me here next week if you want to learn more Patois. I'm out.